Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the font style in a table in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show change the font style in table. Now firstly, insert from table. Now go to the insert menu option. Then click. Now click for table option. Now select from row and column. Now resize your table. Now select from all table. Now going to the all border option. That is. Then we show change the font style. Now select from type your text in the table. Now select from table text. Now going to the home menu option. Then apply from text size. Now you can see, then select from text. Now going to the font option, then select from NSS font. That is. Now you can see since font style in table in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for